In today's video, I'm going to show you how to paint an orc in just a few steps and achieve a great result. The first thing I do is apply a coat of Vallejo white primer. To paint our orc skin, I use orc skin, to which I also add a bit of troll skin to get a slightly darker tone. Thanks to the properties of Xpress paint, applying it is very easy. We just need to load the brush well and spread it over the miniature. The paint will flow and settle evenly and naturally. For the green skin's trousers, I use Battle Dress Brown. For the hair, I use Hospitalier Black mixed with Xpress Medium to reduce the intensity a bit. I choose a red color for the armor, Velvet Red. This reddish tone complements our orc's green skin very well. To simulate the wooden color of the axe handle, I use Willow Bark. This color is one of my favorites, and I always keep it on my desk. I apply Bag of Bones on the bandages of the miniature. To paint the rock, I use Lander Gray, to which I add a bit of Hospitalier Black. I like this gray because it has a slight greenish hue that works very well to represent natural stone. For the metallic parts, I apply natural steel as a base color, being careful not to stain the previous work. With bronze, I paint the decorations on the axe. I shade the metallic areas with thinned down greasy black, applying it as a wash. This color is ideal to convey a worn and dirty metal look. I apply a wash of Wasteland Brown on the bronze areas of the axe. I reinforce the shadows in the darkest parts of the skin with Armor Green. With a mix of orc skin and rosy flesh, I paint areas such as the inner parts of the ears or the elbows. This adds visual richness to the miniature. I add off-white to the previous mixture to create highlights. I use very diluted deep purple and apply it as a glaze to give that characteristic reddish tone to lips, ears, elbows. To further age the metallic parts, I use Corrosion and Rust from the Special FX range. I apply them around rivets and crevices where this type of wear would appear. To reinforce the rusty look, I add a touch of Orange Fire. On the bronze areas, I apply turquoise as a controlled wash to simulate oxidation. Finally, I add a few touches of green rust. During the process, I noticed that the axe is too clean to be an orc weapon, so I apply corrosion and rust again as a wash to accentuate the wear. With silver, I edge highlight the blade of the axe and some rivets or metallic details. With a mix of old gold and silver, I give the final highlight touches to the bronze areas. The Vallejo Express range offers a wide variety of greens you can use to paint your orcs. Here, I leave you some examples so you can see their potential. You can leave in the comments which green you like the most for your orcs. As you've seen, we've painted a miniature, following a few simple steps, in a process that took me around an hour and a half. Now you have no excuse not to paint your miniatures.